In this brave new world, the essence of programming will evolve, creating opportunities for human creativity to flourish alongside AI. As programmers transition into highly specialized roles, they will become more adept in overseeing AI-generated outputs, ensuring both quality and efficiency. Furthermore, educational institutions must revise their curricula to emphasize collaboration with AI, equipping new developers with the knowledge to harness these assistants effectively. This shift will not only redefine job responsibilities but also highlight the importance of maintaining a strong ethical framework, ensuring that innovations are developed with integrity and inclusivity in mind. As we navigate this transformative landscape, the collaborative potential between AI and human programmers offers an exciting avenue for innovation. Instead of fearing obsolescence, the programming community can embrace this partnership, focusing on developing skills that complement AI's strengths. The real challenge lies in cultivating a mindset that prioritizes creativity and strategic thinking, ensuring that technology remains a tool for enhancing human capability rather than a replacement. By championing ethical considerations and inclusion, we can lead the charge toward building a tech ecosystem that benefits everyone. Ultimately, the future will be shaped by those who can master both the art of programming and the nuances of human connection. As we stand on the brink of this technological shift, let's consider the implications of a future where human programmers and AI coalesce into a powerful force. While AI simplifies mundane tasks, freeing up cognitive bandwidth, it also brings forth challenges that require human involvement. The nuanced understanding of user needs, ethical considerations, and innovative spark will remain in human hands, ensuring the solutions developed are not just efficient, but also humane and fitting for society. Together, we can navigate this crucial transition, fostering a culture where technology supports humanity's growth, rather than limits it. The transformation of programming roles presents a unique opportunity for developers to reimagine their contributions within teams. As technology continues to advance, the collaborative dynamic between human intuition and AI efficiency will play an integral role in shaping the software landscape. Embracing this evolution will require programmers to refine their skills, nurture emotional intelligence, and cultivate strong interpersonal relationships, making them invaluable assets in any tech-driven project. The art of programming will persist, enriched by AI's capabilities, reminding us that human creativity is irreplaceable and central to the future of technology. As we step into this new era, it's essential to recognize that while AI coding assistants will change how we approach programming, the human element will continue to reign supreme. Emphasizing the blend of technology and humanity, the programming of tomorrow will rely on an intricate dance between intelligent machines and the creative minds behind them. Together, they will not only enhance productivity but also foster a vibrant community where ideas can thrive, ensuring that the core values of innovation, ethics, and inclusivity remain front and center in the tech world. As we reflect on this dynamic relationship, it's crucial to highlight that the path forward isn't simply about coexistence. It involves understanding how to leverage AI's strengths while maintaining the personal touch and ingenuity that only humans can provide. By focusing on collaboration, programmers can elevate their roles as not just code writers but as thinkers, planners, and ethical guardians of technology. They will craft solutions that are not only technically sound but also aligned with societal needs, pushing the boundaries of innovation while ensuring that technology serves humanity positively. In doing so, the field will not only thrive but also inspire future generations to embrace both the challenges and rewards of this exciting evolution. As we venture into this transformative future, it becomes increasingly vital for programmers to view themselves through a broader lens. Emphasizing their adaptability, they will not only need to enhance technical skills but also develop competencies in leadership, emotional intelligence, and interdisciplinary collaboration. These attributes will enable them to effectively bridge the gap between technology and user experience, ensuring that AI-driven solutions genuinely resonate with real-world needs. Ultimately, This holistic approach will empower developers to thrive in an environment where technology and humanity are deeply interconnected, fostering a more inclusive and innovative tech landscape that benefits all. As we embark on this journey, it's essential to remember that education is at the core of this transition. Coding bootcamps and academic institutions must evolve their curricula, integrating AI literacy as a foundational skill. Future developers will need to comprehend not only the technical aspects of programming but also the ethical implications of AI-generated code. Companies should invest in ongoing training and foster an environment that encourages collaboration between human insight and machine efficiency. This synergy will pave the way for a new generation of programmers, those who are not just proficient in code, but who are adept in critical thinking, responsible decision-making, and innovative problem-solving. The potential impact on the tech industry will be profound, as teams develop rich, empathetic solutions that prioritize impact over mere functionality. As we approach this pivotal moment in programming, it becomes increasingly clear that the transformation isn't merely about technology. It's about cultivating a new generation of thinkers and creators. Developers will be called upon to adapt their skill sets, not just to keep pace with AI advancements but to harness them fully. This new model will require a balance between technical prowess and a profound understanding of user needs, ensuring that technology continues to uplift the human experience. Therefore, the future of programming isn't just innovative, it is also fundamentally human-centered. As we move forward into this changing landscape, a culture of continuous learning will encompass the programming community. Developers will not only need to familiarize themselves with emerging tools but also engage actively in discussions around the ethical implications of AI. Embracing diverse perspectives and fostering inclusive practices will be paramount as technology shapes society. By cultivating a sense of responsibility, programmers can ensure that the innovations of tomorrow are created with thoughtfulness and care, ultimately benefiting everyone and enhancing the collective human experience. AI coding assistants are poised to change the fabric of programming. The collaboration between developers and these intelligent tools will foster an environment rich in creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. As programmers evolve in their roles, they will become the strategists, guiding AI while focusing on designing solutions that are not only technically robust but also human-centered. This balance will ensure that future programming remains an engaging and ethical endeavor, positioning humanity at the heart of technology development as we strive for progress. As we conclude this dialogue on the future of programming, it's clear that the path ahead will be defined by collaboration between human ingenuity and AI capabilities. By embracing this partnership, we can harness the strengths of both, ensuring that innovation flourishes while maintaining a focus on ethics and user-centered design. The journey won't be without challenges, but the collective efforts of programmers will pave the way for a tech landscape that not only advances technology but also enhances the human experience, celebrating our creativity and complexity in the ever-evolving digital era. As we stand at the crossroads of innovation and human insight, it's imperative to embrace the evolving dynamic between AI and programmers. This relationship will not only redefine how we approach problem solving but also catalyze a new wave of creativity and inclusivity within the tech sphere. Emphasizing collaboration and ethical considerations, the programming future will be a harmonious blend of artificial intelligence and human intellect, ensuring that technology serves as a vehicle for societal growth and meaningful impact. By remaining adaptable and receptive to change, developers can navigate this landscape, championing not just efficiency, but also a conscientious approach to technology that uplifts and connects us all. Amidst this transformation, we must also foresee the emerging roles that human programmers will undertake. As experts acting as facilitators, they will curate the contributions of AI coding assistants to ensure precision, innovation, and ethical standards in software development. This ongoing partnership will necessitate continuous learning and a commitment to understanding both technological advancements and user needs. Embracing the complementary relationship between AI and humanity will not only drive the industry forward but also cultivate an environment enriched with diverse perspectives. Ultimately, the future of programming will depend on our ability to integrate these evolving tools, creating solutions that enhance the human experience while pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve. In a world driven by rapid technological advancements, programming must not only adapt but also embrace the contributions from AI. This partnership will ensure that while the tools may evolve, the unique human capacity for creativity, empathy, and critical thinking will continue to thrive. The future of programming rests on our ability to utilize AI as an asset rather than seeing it as a threat, recalibrating the landscape toward a more inclusive and innovative model that respects the intricate relationship between technology and humanity. Together, we can foster a tech ecosystem that uplifts and serves the needs of society as a whole. The future of programming is not just about adapting to AI technologies but embracing a new paradigm where human expertise and artificial intelligence coexist. Together, they will redefine the landscape of development, fostering innovation and ensuring that technology enriches our lives in meaningful ways. This partnership will ultimately lead to a more inclusive and ethical tech industry, where the essence of human creativity prevails.